Hey y'all, welcome back to Amina Lee TV. As you know, I am going on this options trading journey, and huge part of that is education. Honestly, I feel like that's probably going to be the hardest part of this journey in this process, is really getting informed. But then after that is going to be a cakewalk. But anyway, I watched Vlad TV's interview with Martin Shkreli. This guy, when I tell you that first 15, I don't even know if it goes 15 minutes. It might be the first 15, 20 minutes. Pay close attention because there's a lot of education there. He talks about the difference between hedge funds and stocks and how important it is to invest, and him and Vlad go back and forth about the different books that they read to help them educate themselves on stocks and what helped them get rich. So, of course, what did I do? I wrote down the titles, went on Amazon, purchased the books. So I'm just going to show you guys the books, titles. Of course, they're literally all about Warren Buffett, naturally, right? Who else would you study? But yes, I just want to, I'm gonna do what they call it, unboxing, so you can see the titles. I'm certain I probably bought 3 or 4. One I know hasn't arrived, and I'll let you know which book that is. I'll link everything in the description. All right, here we go. Yeah, I was so excited about getting these books so that I could see. Got some other irrelevant stuff. But, oh wow. I didn't even expect this book to be so thick. I thought it was a little smaller, but the Snowball was the first book that they recommended. Warren Buffett and the Business of Life. Warren Buffett is one of the most respected men in the world, but the legendary Omaha investor has never written a memoir or offered a glimpse into his intensely private life. Here at last, he gives unprecedented access to his work, opinions, struggles, triumphs, follies, and wisdom. It's a book the world has been waiting for, and the result has been worth the wait. So I'm excited about reading. This is actually going to take longer than I expected. I really didn't realize this book was over 600 pages, but that's fine. I'm a reader. I'm actually a speed reader, so I'll get through this pretty quickly. So again, the title here is The Snowball by Alice Schroeder. I also got The Intelligent Investor, the definitive book on value investing by Benjamin Graham. The greatest investment advisor of the 20th century, Benjamin Graham taught and inspired people worldwide. Graham's philosophy of value investing, which shields investors from substantial error and teaches them to develop long-term strategies, has made The Intelligent Investor the stock market Bible ever since its original publication in 1949. I think I might start with this one, since The Snowball is more of a memoir. I'm sure there's tons of gems in there, but I'm definitely going to start here. And I bought, let's bring it back to me. I also purchased Warren Buffett's Berkshire letters. So that's the one. So it was a total of 3, and I have one more on the way. Like I said, I'll link the titles and the authors in the book. You can find them on Amazon. I don't know, you might be able to find them in your local library as well. But just wanted to share with you, as I promised, everything that I'm doing on this options trading journey. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Actually, let me do this.